Okay, so we got this Lexus GX350. We got this tire light on. What we're gonna do is we don't have the TPMS light on, just the tire pressure light. So that could be low tire pressure, or it could be a bad sensor. But we're gonna check it out. First, we're gonna start off by checking the pressure in all wheels. So I'm using my scan tool here. I'm sorry, this is GX470, so we got it on our scan tool, GX470. What we're gonna do is we're gonna scan all the sensors. So let's see right here. It should give us a signal, battery life and all that. So there's nothing here. That should have been more than long enough. Even if I come over here, it should continue to read the sensor, but there's nothing. So far, no sensor detected for both of these tires. I'll give it another try here. So there's nothing here. So check this out. Let's just move real quick to this sensor because I tried it earlier. Watch this. There you go. It immediately picked up on this passenger side front. It gives you the pressure. It gives you the battery. It gives you the everything pretty much. So let's go right here and test this guy. There you go. Very simple and easy. And it does have a spare tire down there that has a sensor, so I am going to be checking that as well. And after that, we will replace the sensors as required. So far, this one and that one needs to be changed. Okay, so we're scanning this last sensor down here underneath the truck. So let's see, where the hell is it at? So here it is. There you go. We got ourselves an ID real quick. Hopefully it didn't pick up on the other tire, but I'm assuming this is good and it's missing a cap on the valve. I'll put that on. I'll check the pressure. So we checked the pressure in all of them, but we did indicate that we have a bad sensor in this wheel and one in the front holder on this. So we're going to end up fixing these two, replace them. Okay, so I broke the bead on the tire. I am using an 11mm socket here, and what we're going to do is we're going to loosen this sensor up. Okay, put your hand on there so the sensor doesn't fall down. And you're going to remove this slowly. We're going to do the same thing for both tires. You're only going to see me do one though. And slowly, my friend here is going to take off the sensor. There you go. That's how simple it is. And you do have this little washer right here, which I am going to take out of there because we don't need that. New stuff is with new sensor. So there's an ID here, okay? EFCA4C3, okay? The camera can't see it, but that's the ID we're going to put into the sensor. So here's our new sensor right here in this box. So the part number here, this is a 315 frequency. There's a part number right there. 1743042. Everything's there, everything that we need, okay? So you do need to clean the bore here. Get rid of this little washer. Okay, clean the bore here so the sensor doesn't leak. So I'm gonna do that before I install this. And first we're gonna program the sensor. This does not have an ID. Okay, so we got ourselves a ID EFCA 4C3 EFCA 4C3. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of these sensors on this for this Lexus. So these little pins matches those pins in there, and this baby goes in. We lock it up, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna press enter on this Lexus. We're gonna program this TPMS sensor. Program in cradle. Verifying. There you go. The ID has been successfully added. EFCA. Let's just check. EFCA 4C3. Bada bing, bada boom. This sensor is done. Make sure you clean this baby up down here, up here, so the seal can grab on and not leak. Anyways, after that, spray, put pressure in the tire and spray. Make sure it's nice and tight. Make sure you spray some water on it to check for leaks, and that's it. You're done. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna do the same thing for the other two tires. Then we're gonna take the truck out for a spin. So we got a new sensor here, and we put up a new sensor on this little guy. I use the old caps because some customers are picky. Anyways, make sure pressure is equal in all 4 wheels, 5 wheels, and after that, we did change the brakes, so we're gonna pump the pedal first. There you go, nice and good. Start up the truck, pump it again. The light is on. It is gonna probably flash and go away. It's flashing now, so that might be we might have to check the pressure. But other than that, it should go off. It should go off. Let's see what it does. Okay, we might have to reset, but we're gonna go for a spin. I'm not sure why would it be flashing, so I am gonna check the sensors again because I never had that case before. It would just go away on its own. The sensor wasn't giving any signal, so you can't tell me that. Okay, maybe okay. It flashes in the beginning on the startup, so we might have to check our pressure, and we're gonna go for a spin. We might reset. We might have to put a scan tool. It's a Lexus. It's a different story from how. Oops, there goes my camera. So it's steady now. So usually it will flash in the beginning. So I might have to double check my work. We do have a TPMS light down here sensor. The reset button down here somewhere. I'm gonna check that. Okay, so far okay, we got the sensors working now, but you see that? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push that to reset this light. So there's 2 different ways to do it. One, it's gonna flash 3 times. So what we're gonna do here is, you're not gonna see because I can't hold the camera here. So I'm gonna push the button down and turn the key on, but I need both hands, and then the light should flash. So maybe I'll just leave this guy right here, which is not gonna work. But anyways, okay, so the light turned off. I got it on main. Okay, you can push it. You see how it's sticking out? It says main. The switch should be sticking up more. I just don't want to touch it again. And I got this baby set. I'm gonna take it for a spin. The light is off. I didn't do anything. All I did was push that button once, twice, 3 times. I was trying everything, but I just left it on main, and the light is off. Thank you for watching, guys. So there you go. That's how we're gonna do this baby.